Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next question, guys. Okay, so this question is a GATE CSE 2018 question. So the question is a 43, question number 43. Okay, so let us start. So let G be a graph with 100 factorial vertices. Okay, so can you imagine the value of 100 factorial? It will be really large. Okay, so with every vertex labeled by a distinct permutation of numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 100, I think so, mostly. Okay, yes, or 100 also, it should be more also. Okay, yes. So there is an edge between vertex u and v if and only if the label of u can be obtained by swapping two adjacent numbers. Okay, by swapping two adjacent numbers in the label of v. Okay, so let y denote the degree of the vertex and z denotes the number of connected components in G. Okay, so now I got the idea. So instead, can we draw for 100 factorial, guys? Can you solve the problem? The answer is no. So let us try for 3 factorial, guys. For 3 factorial, it will be easy, right? Yes. So let us start. For 3 factorial, let us start. Okay, yes. So for 3 factorial, what are all the combinations, guys? So in 3 factorial, how many we will get? So in total, you will get 6 vertices, right? 3 into 2, 6, right? Yes. So let us try writing those combinations. So you need to write the combinations with respect to this only. So the first one will be 1, 2, 3. The second one will be 1, 3, 2. The next one will be, okay, so let me write it here itself. So 2, 1, 3. The next one will be 2, 3, 1. Okay, and the last two will be 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 1. So these are all the 6 vertex combinations. Okay, so in this same way you will be doing for 100 vertices, guys. Okay, so it will be really crazy to solve. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us try for 3 first of all. Okay, yes. So now you are done with the till here and till here. So now to draw edges between them, so there is an edge between vertex u and v. Okay, so in between u and v, if and only if the label u can be obtained by swapping two adjacent numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So if I want to find which edge can I connect, so I need to do some swaps, guys. So let us assume there are 2 edges first of all. So if I can do these 2 swap, right? So 2, 1 and 3. So this edge is connected. Similarly 1, 3, 2. So this edge is connected. So in this way the edges are connected. Okay, so now I am getting the logic. So now the question is, let y denotes the degree of the vertex in G and z denotes the number of connected components in G. Okay, so now I got the logic, guys. So in this way, if you consider, so you can draw for each and every node, right? Yes. So now let us take the 100 factorial case. I'm not going to draw, so don't worry. Okay. So 100 factorial. So for 100 factorial, what is the degree? So basically for 100 factorial number, so it will be 100 numbers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 100. So what is the degree of that particular node will be, guys? So it will have how many combinations? It will have total 99, right? Yes. So here how many are there? Here there are total 3 numbers, 3 digits. We got 2 combinations. If there are 100 numbers, how many combinations? 99 combinations. Like 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 99, 100. So total 99 different combinations you can make. So it is having the y value, that is nothing but degree is equals to 99. Okay, so if you consider this, so if you continuously draw this diagram, so at the end everything will be connected, right? Or you will get more than one connected components. No, everything will be connected, right? Hence, so the z value will be 1, guys. So you will be getting only one connected component. Okay, so now let us substitute the value. So basically y is a 99 plus 10 into 1, that is nothing but 109. So 109 will be your answer. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So this is really a simple problem, but the only thing is you should assume a smaller case, guys. So never try on the larger cases. So whenever on these type of questions, because it will just kill your time in your examination. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.